problem. Find the length of the intercept made by the circle x square plus y square minus x plus 3y minus 22 equal to 0 on the line y is equal to x minus 3. Length of the intercept made by the circle s equal to 0 on the line is x minus y minus 3 equal to 0. Center of circle minus g comma minus f. It is 1 by 2 comma minus 3 by 2. Radius is root of g square 1 by 4 plus f square 9 by 4 minus of minus plus 22. This is root of 1 plus 9 plus 88 by 4. This is root of 98 by 4. This is root of 49 by 2. That is 7 by root 2. 7 by root 2. Radius is equal to 7 by root 2. And D. This is D. And D is equal to D. Perpendicular distance from center. Center is 1 by 2 comma minus 3 by 2 to the circle. To the line x minus y minus 3 equal to 0. That is D is equal to perpendicular distance mod of A x1 plus b y1 plus c by root of a square plus b square. That is mod of ax1. A is 1, b is minus 1, c is minus 3, x1, y1. So 1 by 2 into plus 3 by 2 minus 3 by root of a square plus b square. That is equal to, it is 4 minus 6 by 2 root 2. That equal to minus 2 by 2 root 2. So 2 gets cancelled, 1 by root 2. D is 1 by root 2. So length of chord. So length of the chord is equal to 2 into root of r square minus d square. That is 2 into root of r square. R square is, this is r. R square 49 by 2 minus d square. That is 1 by 2. 2 into root of 48 by 2. That is 2 root 24. The 2 into, this is right, 2 root 6. That is 4 root 6. Length of the chord is 4 root 6. Next problem. the length of the intercept made by the circle x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y minus 3 equal to 0 on the line x plus y minus 3 equal to 0. Length of the intercept made by the circle x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y minus 3 equal to 0 on the line x plus y minus 3 equal to 0. So, same as the above model, you try this problem. Next one, find the equations of tangents to the circle x square plus y square minus 2x plus 4y minus 4 is equal to 0, minus 2x plus 4y minus 4 equal to 0, which are parallel to the line which are parallel to the line three x plus 4y minus 1 equal to 0. So this is the line. Maybe we don't know whether it touches or intersects or completely lies outside, but anyway this is one line. This is 3x plus 4y minus 1 equal to 0. Equation of a line parallel to 3x plus 4y minus 1 equal to 0 is of the form 3x plus 4y plus k equal to 0. Maybe there is a possibility of this one. Since the line is a tangent to the circle, so condition for tangent is r is equal to d, radius equal to perpendicular distance. Now from the given equation, center of circle is minus z comma minus f, that is 1 comma minus 2. Radius root of g square plus f square minus c. G square is 1, f square is 4, c is minus of minus, that is plus 4, that is root 9 is, that is 3. Equation of line parallel to 3x plus 4y minus 1 equal to 0 is of the form 3x plus 4y plus k equal to 0. How to find k value? The line is a tangent to the circle. So condition for tangent is r equal to d. Now the d is equal to perpendicular distance from center 1 comma minus 2 to the line 3x plus 4y plus k equal to 0. That is d is equal to mod of ax1 3 into 1 plus by1 4 into minus 2 plus k by root of a square plus b square. That is equal to 3 minus 8 plus k by 5. That is equal to mod of k minus 5 by 5. So the line is a tangent to the circle. So condition for tangent r equal to d. R equal to d, where r is 3 and d equal to distance. So k minus 5 by 5. So mod of k minus 5 is equal to plus equal to 15. Therefore k minus 5 is equal to plus or minus 15. Plus or minus 15. If you take plus, if k minus 5 is equal to plus 15, so k equal to 20. If k minus 5 is equal to minus 15, k equal to minus 10. So equations of tangents, equations are 3x plus 4y plus 20 equal to 0, 3x plus 4y minus 10 equal to 0. These are the tangents. Next one. Find the equations of tangents. Equations of tangents to the circle x square plus y square minus 2x plus 4y minus 4 equal to 0. Which are parallel to which are perpendicular to 2x plus 3y minus 5 equal to 0. 2x plus 3y minus 5 equal to 0, which are perpendicular to this one. So this is here, this is one line. The line is 2x plus 3y minus 5 equal to 0. Now we are finding the equations of tangents which are perpendicular to this one. These are the tangents. Now the equation of line perpendicular to ax plus by plus c equal to 0 is of the form bx minus ay plus k equal to 0. Equation of line perpendicular to ax plus by plus c equal to 0 is bx minus ay plus k equal to 0. Now the equation of line perpendicular to this is bx minus ay plus k equal to 0. How to find k value? Since the line is a tangent to the circle, again condition for tangent r equal to d, so you get k value. So you complete the remaining part. Good. Next problem, a chord of length 24 units a chord of length 24 units is at a distance is at a distance 5 units 5 units from the center of a circle. From the center of a circle. Then its radius is equal to. Then its radius is equal to a chord of length of AB is 24 units, is at a distance of 5 units from the center. Then its radius equal to length of the chord. Length of chord is equal to formula 2 root r square minus d square is equal to 24. This is given. So root of r square minus d square, d is this is d, 25 is equal to 12. Equal to 12. So r square minus 25 is equal to squaring on both sides. This is 144. R square is equal to 169. R is equal to 13. R is 13. Next one, the equation of circle which touches both the axes and which passes through the point 1, 2. 1, 2. The equation of circle which touches both the axes and passing through the point 1, 2. The circle touches both the axes. Therefore, center of circle is, let center of circle is A, A. Center of circle A, A. It passes through the point 1, 2. Let center of circle is A, A. Radius is also A. If the circle touches both the axes, radius equal to x coordinate and also y coordinate of the center. So center and radius. So equation of circle, x minus a whole square plus y minus a whole square is equal to a square. The circle passes through 1, 2. It passes through 1, 2. So 1 minus a whole square plus 2 minus a whole square is equal to a square. So it is a square minus 2a plus 1 plus a square minus 4a plus 4 is equal to a square. So a square gets cancelled. So this is a square minus 6a plus 5 is equal to 0. So by factorizing a square minus 5a minus a plus 5 equal to 0, a common, a minus 5 minus 1 into a minus 5 equal to 0. So a minus 5 into a minus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore, a is equal to 1, 5. If a is equal to 1, then center 1, 1, radius is 1. Then equation of circle. Equation of circle, x minus 1 whole square plus y minus 1 whole square equal to 1. If a is equal to 5, center 5, 5, radius is 5. Then equation of circle, x minus 5 whole square plus y minus 5 whole square is equal to 25. Next problem. The equations of circles touches x-axis at the origin at 0, 0 and also touches the line and also touches the line 4x minus 3y plus 24 equal to 0. Also touches the line 4x minus 3y plus 24 equal to 0. Equations of circles which touches x-axis at 0, 0. This is x-axis. At 0, 0 and also touches the line. Suppose this is one line. The line is 4x minus 3y plus 24 equal to 0. The circle touches x-axis at 0, 0 implies the center lies on y-axis. Let the center of circle is 0, A. 0, A. Let center of circle is 0, A. Radius equal to, if the circle touches x-axis, radius equal to y coordinate of the center. Radius is y coordinate of center, that is A. And also the line touches the circle. Line touches the circle. So condition for tangent is r equal to d. The line 4x minus 3y plus 24 equal to 0 touches the circle. Implies condition for tangent r equal to d, where d is perpendicular distance from center 0, A to the line 4x minus 3y plus 24 equal to 0, where r is A, perpendicular distance. Perpendicular distance is ax1. ax1 is 0. ax1 is 0 minus 3a plus 24 by root of a square plus b square. a square plus b square. That equal to mod of minus 3a plus 24 by 5. This is a. Therefore, mod of minus 3a plus 24 is equal to plus or minus 5a. Plus or minus, so it is 5a. 5a implies minus 3a plus 24 is equal to plus or minus 5a. 5a. If you take the positive value, if minus 3a plus 24 equal to plus 5a implies 8a is equal to minus 8a is equal to 24. a is 3. If minus 3a plus 24 is equal to minus 5a, minus 5a. So take this side. 2a is equal to minus 24. A equal to minus 12. So there are two equations. There are two equations. If a is equal to 3, center 0, 3, radius is 3. So equation of circle. X minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square is equal to r square. R square is, this is 9. That is x square plus y square minus 6y plus 9 is equal to 9. Therefore, x square plus y square minus 6y equal to 0. That is one circle equation. If a is equal to minus 12, then you get second equation. If a is equal to minus 12, center 0, minus 12, radius is 12. Radius is not negative values. So equation of circle, x minus 0 whole square, y plus 12 whole square is equal to 12 square. So this is x square plus y square plus 24y plus 144 is equal to 144. So x square plus y square plus 24y is equal to 0. So this is one equation. Next problem. The shortest distance from the point minus 2, 14 to the circle x square plus y square minus 6x minus 4y minus 12 equal to 0 is shortest distance. Suppose the point is here, maybe outside the circle, maybe lies inside the circle, that is different. So this is the center of circle. So this is a CP. Distance means shortest. This is the distance is shortest distance, and the longest distance is what? Maximum distance is this one. Suppose this is A and this is B. Shortest distance is AP. AP is equal to CP minus CA. That is CP minus this is R, radius. That is mod of CP minus, simply mod of CP minus R, shortest distance. So this is what? Shortest distance. And the maximum distance is equal to, so this is CP and plus R. This is CP plus R. So this is the maximum distance, this is the minimum distance. In the given question, shortest distance from minus 2 comma 14 to the circle. So center of circle is minus z comma minus f, that is 3 comma 2. 3 comma 2. Radius equal to root of g square 9 plus 4 minus of minus. So this is 5. R equal to 5. R is 5. Center of circle is 3 comma 2. Center, and the point P is P minus 2 comma 14. Now the distance CP is equal to root of 3 minus of minus. This is 3 plus 2 whole square plus 2 minus 14 whole square. Root of 25 plus 144, that is root of 169, which is 13. CP equal to. Therefore, shortest distance equal to mod of CP minus R, that is 13 minus 5, 8. So maximum distance is CP plus R. Right, on next problem. The least distance of the line least distance of the line 4x 8x minus 4y plus 73 equal to 0. 8x minus 4y plus 73 equal to 0 from the circle 16x square plus 16y square plus 48x minus 8y minus 43 is equal to 0. Least distance. Suppose this is the line. This is center of circle. This is radius. So here it is. This is the least distance. So this is the minimum distance. And it is the maximum distance. So here, suppose the point is A, this is B, and this is the point is P. Point is P. Minimum distance is minimum distance is AB. AB is equal to, here it is, this CA minus CB, that is CAD minus this is radius R. CA distance is D minus R, where D equal to perpendicular distance from center to the line. So this is the distance is D. This distance is D. This is R. Minimum distance is AB. AB equal to AC minus BC. That is mod of D minus R. Suppose to find out the maximum distance. Maximum distance is equal to, that is AP. AP is equal to what? So this is AC that is AC plus CP, that is D plus R. So this is radius. This is radius and this is length of the perpendicular. So to calculate the maximum distance, we use D plus R, where D is length of the perpendicular from center with the line. To find out the minimum distance we use mod of D minus R, where D is the length of the perpendicular from center to the given line. So in our material level 1 classwork and also homework, you complete the problems which are related to these topics. Thank you. Okay, sir.